Okay, again, this kind of gives you the angle here, kind of wrapping it around. 3 planes. Build that section up there. Kind of brings that piece off. So, trying to build that up. Again, using the straight edge is going to make it a little easier to see. Now, not everything in this has got a straight line to it. Bring that up there. And again, elliptical parts kind of has a depth to it, so it's just raised in that center piece. And just kind of following. When you look at the contour line of this piece, that's what you're trying to highlight at first. And then you can build up where it lines up. So this, for example, this part has the edge, shows the plane. Still has textured, it's metal, kind of scratched and buffed up there a little bit. And wrapping this piece around. So you're trying to make it a nice curve. In this case, the shadowing goes on the bottom half of it. So you can kind of see that there. Building that edge up. Has a little bit of a tone. And really finds that edge. So same idea with this part. This part has a little bit of a straight edge here that you can fill in. You're going to see a little bit of that depth to it on this corner. And that's going to be the metallic side right there. So that edge right there is kind of a rounded, buffeted edge that you can take out. Sums up that second piece. And wraps this around here. So this part also has a straight line segment before it bends off into the curve, and you can see the cable and the cord on either side. And again, that's just like the 3D. You can do part of it right on the edge there. And that's going to give you a 3-dimensional look to it. It has a little clamp on this part. And now you can see the inside edge of that. Okay. This part also has just a little bit of a clamp. There you go. So you have kind of it broken down into its basis, and now it's just a matter of trying to get the textures, the shading a little bit. You can keep it going with the lines. Use some of the straight edges here to help you with the shading. Again. And this, you can see this bracket kind of has a hole in there.